Hey Megan, what you doing?
Just coloring.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3.
When we bought the car, we knew that there was quite a few issues on it. Over our past couple of videos, we've been working front to back, addressing all of them. The biggest issue though, was that it is missing a rear bumper reflector.
This should be an easy part to find on eBay. Let's go order it. Ooh, this one will fit. $300.
Whew, I don't know about that one. Hey Dad, the part's $300. You still want us to order it?
What? No!
Obviously, we're not going to pay $300 for one reflector. So, instead, we bought some gray reflective vinyl.
This vinyl will help match the gray lights we put in the front and will keep money in our pockets for future projects.
Let's go work on the car. Since we're going to be under the car to take out the light, we should remove some unnecessary weight since we have track days in mind. The first thing we will remove is the spare tire well. In order to do this, you first must remove the carpet.
Second, you must remove the thumb screw and take that out. There's another nut under here that you might want to take out as well.
Then, you will unscrew this. Push these prongs together. And drop it up. In order to remove the whole carrier, you first must remove the 10mm bolt that runs through it. You might want someone to help you with this. Once you remove this bolt, you will need a small wrench to remove this cable from here. Once you do that, this will drop out completely. Now that we have no need for this, you guys may need it. If you want it, contact us on our Instagram at CBGB Motorsports.
When we bought the car, it did not have a rear muffler. Therefore, we do not need the heat shield. It is held on by several 10mm nuts. It is not much weight, but it still takes weight off the car.
To take out the light, you must first remove one nut. It is a little bit difficult to get to, but with skinny arms, you can get your arm up there and reach it. Doesn't look like $300 to me. If anyone needs this as well, you can also contact us at our Instagram. We've taken measurements and decided on the shape. Now let's start trimming.
We're not happy with the color, so we may look for a darker gray.
Well, that's it for this week. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.